Flim Flos night!
Yeah, let's get it on.
Let's get it on all night long. I know you want Flim. I know you want Flos. I know you want it. You gotta watch it. Hey, you gotta watch it. Watch it. You gotta...
No, I do the background.
Sorry. You know you want Flim. You know you want Flos.
Is it on?
Yep.
I wish we could make a Flim Flos video.
I wish I was in California.
You always wish you were in California.
No, I said mish.
You always wish you were in California.
I miss him.
Oh.
Where?
Awkward.
I don't... What? See that man?
That's screaming in the background.
Has a dog that prevents me from doing my homework. I swear to God.
Why? How?
It's just like... And then there's a dog next door in the backyard that, like, communicates with it, and then it's just like...
Yeah, they always communicate with each other, like in Lady and the Trip. No. Yeah, Lady, no.
I see your face in this.
Now I can see if you're making faces like you always do. Yeah, like that. It's like a mirror.
Yeah, but I wasn't doing it to you.
That's true.
Oh, B.O., just like B.O., body odor.
Body odor. Oh!
I heard that on the bus.
What,
like,
body odor?
Yeah, like,
I never knew that.
B.O., like that girl had B.O., and then someone else was like, what's B.O.? And they said body odor, and I was secretly, like, in my brain, there was fireworks.
I'm always like, B.O. I always used to think B.O. was like a scientifical, like, chemical,
biological odor.
I don't know. Oh my God, you just found out what P.O.'d means. I found out what P.O.
Wait, what does it mean again? Pissed off. Okay,
pissed off, yeah.
I am P.O.E.D.
It's called a notebook for a reason. It's not called a notebook so you can do your homework in it. Then it would be called a homework book. Yeah, that's right. My physics, Mr. Joe. Yeah, I hate him. He took my phone away. He took it away.
Yeah, but you got it back, so let's move
Okay,
along.
I got it back on Friday. 2 days later, I have 87 messages from Twitter. 87.
Are you serious?
No. Yes, I am. What?
What? Make up your mind.
No, I thought you were going to say, are you kidding? And then I already had an answer prepared on, no. Yes, I am serious. See, they don't realize what they do to me when they take my phone away. They don't realize that I'm going to have all these messages. No, we're in it together.
We're all in this together. Have some fun because I am Troy and I know what to do.
I used to actually like High School Musical before it got popular. Just kidding, it was popular as soon as it started, but I used to like it. And then it was like all the little teenage girls in the world and one guy probably is
one gay guy named Troy.
And they made me watch it a billion times until I got annoyed of it. Yep.
You know what I want to do right now?
What?
I want to run to that lamppost over there and pretend I'm in Narnia.
She built a bridge to Terabithia.
Do you want to do that? Do you want to run there?
No, not yet. Wait, but I have to tell them about your bridge to Terabithia.
Oh, yeah.
She built a bridge to Terabithia.
Terabithia, okay.
Yeah. And it was just basically a stick between two bushes. Don't tell anyone. Hey, bye. Hey.
Get right to the point.
Bye. Just bye. Okay, well, we were gonna make a video, but then it got dark. So, yeah, I guess this is just gonna be a mini video. I mean, we're gonna put a bunch of crap in it, obviously, like we always do, but it's not gonna be a real... We'll make a real video.
This is real life.
Yeah.
So let's say bye in at least 10 different languages.
Okay. Khodafez. Zastrivania. Bye. Au revoir.
Adios.
Wait, are we counting? You suck. Okay, bye.
Khodafez.
Paka.
Aloha. Adios.
I don't know any more languages.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa's hi.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, konnichiwa. Why do you assign this assignment when we only know like 3 languages each?
That's you.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye.
Bye. Wait,
We'll make
it
it
said bye in like 7 different languages.
That's
so now it's just gonna
bye.